This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward I hope all have a prosperous week. We're gonna jump into week 20 of our Roth, and looking at the current account balance, it is sitting at $15,005.70, and today is May 10th, and I've updated that balance $15,005.70. So we bought back some calls earlier or later in the week last week, which kind of dropped the account a little bit, which has kind of given us sort of a straight line here. So hopefully we can start to move this in the right direction again starting this week. And looking at the account, Dropbox didn't hit the strike price. We bought back the one put we had on Dropbox. Orbital Energy doesn't expire till the 21st, and Schrodinger is still going up to the 21st. So looking at Dropbox, our cost basis $27.21 a share. We're going to come over to the drop down arrow and we're going to click on options chain. And looking at the chain here, we'll come over to all to expand it. And if we look at our cost basis, it's currently showing about $2 for a call. So we can sell one a little bit higher. Normally I've always told people to always sell it above your cost basis. You can sell one that's currently, the bid right now is sitting at $24.58. So you could sell one for, say, like the $26 call. But if you do that, you would have to actively manage it. So you would have to check Wednesday, Thursday, probably no later than Thursday, and make sure you would not have to need to call that, buy that call back if you did that. Another thing you could do, I could buy another 100 shares at $24.58, which will probably drop the cost basis to about $26. But we're in a pre-market, it's already going down. I don't think I'll do that. So I'm just going to go ahead, and if I'm looking here at the $2 ones, $27.50, $28, and $28.50 are all $2, so we might as well just sell the $28.50. So I'm going to come over here to trade, and we'll read this Dropbox expiration of 14th, $28.50 call option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 1. This will be a market order. I'm going to review and submit this order. And looking at our cash on hand, it's currently at $12,322.70. We do have the $70 put, so if we subtract the $70 put, which is $7,000, we'll have a total of $5,322.70 left. So I'm going to hover over trade and go to options chain. And I'm going to do GoPro. It's one that we did towards the end of last week. And it's currently sitting at, looking at the bid, it's currently sitting at $10.65. So I think I'm going to sell the $10.50 put option. And at $10.50, if we looked at our total, we had $5,322.70. I think I can do 5. If we divide this by 5, yeah, it'll be 1,064. Or actually, we should divide this. If we do the $10.50 put, that would be $1,050. And yeah, so we could do 5 of those. So I'm going to actually sell 5 puts on GoPro at $10.50. So I'm going to come over here to trade. And reading this, we will have GoPro 5/14 expiration, the $10.50 strike price. This will be a put option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 5. This will be a market order. We're going to review and submit this order. And that will put us at pretty much all of our cash spent for this week. So we'll come back after the market opens and make sure that this got executed. Okay, the market is now open and we did sell our GoPro and Dropbox. So let's take a look at history. And looking at history, Dropbox, we ended up selling the 2850 call and the 1050 put. We sold 5 of those. So we got a total, we only got $1 for Dropbox, so that's 35 cents, and 116.70 for GoPro. So updating the sheet, we got GoPro 5 and Dropbox 1 put. Total this week, 116.70 and 35 cents. So total 117. Not a bad week. You know, buying those puts, buying those options back at the end of last week did drop us a little bit, but that's just it's going to always happen within the stock market. As long as you keep working towards your goal and keep heading in the direction that you want to go, you can succeed. So again, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next week.